Have you ever imagined earning money just by making phone calls? That's exactly what Neon Mobile claims to offer. But is it really a revolutionary way to earn passive income or just another online gimmick dressed in tech buzzwords? NeonMobile.com says your calls generate value because your anonymized data is sold for AI and research purposes, and in return, you earn real cash. Sounds futuristic, but as always, the truth is in the details. Neon Mobile is available on both the Play Store and App Store, with over 10,000 downloads and an average rating of 3.3 stars from around 95 reviews. The platform even shares its founder's name, Alex, which adds a bit of transparency. Something rare in similar get-paid-to-use apps. The app has a visible social media presence, real contact details, and users online claiming they've received payments for calls and referrals. But before you get too excited, there are a few things that raise questions. Some users report that their referral tracking doesn't always work properly, leading to missed bonuses. Others have mentioned that not all calls are credited as promised. On top of that, the customer support seems hit or miss. Some get replies, while others never hear back. So while Neon Mobile isn't an outright scam, it's also far from perfect. It seems to sit in that gray zone between legit innovation and inconsistent execution. You might earn something, but don't expect a steady side income or quick riches. The concept is interesting, but the reliability and user experience leave a lot to be desired. In short, Neon Mobile works for some and frustrates others, so it's worth testing only if you're curious, not if you're counting on it for real money.